So guys, Facebook just unlocked a new way creators are going to be earning on Facebook, right? And this one is actually for everyone, right? You don't need to have any criteria or anything for you to actually earn using this particular tool that Facebook just introduced, right? So let's read this thing. I'm currently on Facebook for creator page, right? They said new one on Facebook, unlock more commission with a new affiliate link experience on your content. We are testing new ways to make it easier for your audience to support you when they shop the product you recommend in your content. Affiliate link will now be more prominently displayed directly on your reels, videos, photos, and test posts to help encourage more of your followers to purchase your product through your unique link. You can add custom link name and promo code when you add product link from popular affiliate program. Learn more on the graphics below for more information. All right, so what Facebook actually mean right here is that they are working on this tool in order to make it easier for your audience to see this link, so they are going to be displaying this link under your post, either a video, longer video, either reels, either photo or text post. They are going to be displaying it under the video. So let's go through this their graphics right here. In this particular one, they said for reels, navigate to reel setting, add your caption, and then tap earn money. You can see this earn money right here. I don't know if you can see it clearly. You can see earn money right here. After you've done that, the next thing you need to do is for you to select add affiliate product link, right? Then input your links and tap add information, right? Easy peasy. Then this is the way viewers are actually going to be seeing your ad, right? You can see in this post, you can see under the post, you see this shop now. See, this is how they are going to be seeing it, right? And also it's going to be more easier for your audience to see, like when they go to comment or when they are reading comments, they are going to see that shop now pinned on the comment, right? It's very easy, as you can see right here. So basically, this is another avenue for us to actually make more money with Facebook, right? So all you need to do is for you to actually, when you're making your video, you can recommend a product that you want people to buy. If you want me to make video, like a specific video on affiliate marketing, how you are going to get all this affiliate marketing link and be promoting them in your content, I will make a proper video. All you need to do is just to tell me in the comment section, make video on how to get those links. Then I will teach you guys how to run affiliate marketing, and this is going to help you to earn more money. And for most of you who actually I have been waiting to reach criteria, most of you who have been waiting for Facebook to invite them, with this new tool that they just introduced, right, you can actually make money smoothly. You can even actually forget Facebook. But I know that Facebook money is sweet, so there's no way I'm going to forget it. But with this thing, right, you can make money, real money. All you need to do is to make a videos surrounding a particular product, right? And you talk about the product and tell your people to click on the shop to actually shop that product. Or even if you are making a content like skit or comedy skit and all those things, you can actually open a clothing brand, and tell your people to use the shop link, right, to actually buy those products. There are so many ways you can actually earn from this, right? But mostly, if you don't have money to establish a business that you will be promoting, you can go to Amazon, you can go to there are a lot of affiliate companies that you can register with. Then just copy all those catchy things that that people can easily want to buy online, then talk about it and tell them to click the link, understand? And when they click the link, they are going to buy it, and once they buy it, you are going to be earning commission, right? So you can see in this their headline what they said: unlock more commission with affiliate link on Facebook. Let me explain it better. In affiliate marketing, you are not the owner of the product, all right? What you do is that you help them to market the product by getting the affiliate link and putting it somewhere that people are going to see it. And once people get to see that link, then click it and purchase through the link, you are going to get a certain amount of money. So that money you are making out of it is what we call commission, all right? So Facebook actually wants you to make more money using affiliate link, and that's the reason why they introduced this new tool, right? If it's not yet showing, if it's not yet showing on your Facebook, don't worry, you can actually update your Facebook to see it, or you wait you are going to see it. They have already tested it, and that's the reason why they posted it in their creator this thing. So this is actually good news for we creators, right? So go out there and make money using this. You don't have to wait for Facebook anymore to invite you. Just go and make money. Go and make money. All right, so thank you all for watching this video from beginning to here. You guys are amazing. I really appreciate you all for always staying here with me. And if you're seeing me for the first time, I'm Azmin, and I would like you to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification button so that anytime I post amazing video like this one you're watching at the moment, you'll be among the first people to see the video. And don't forget to share this video so that other people get to watch and learn from it as well. And if you found this video very interesting, I would like you to do something for me. I would like you to hit the like button and drop a comment. And even if you don't know what to say, you can actually say, thank you, Mazi, for sharing this, and I'll be glad to respond to your comment, right? So thank you all for watching, and see you in my next video.